Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Doug with the McCurdy Outdoors channel, and today we're going to do a quick overview of my steering wheel GPS setup. Here we go. Real quick, this is what it looks like from sitting in the driver's seat. And to those curious, I'm running Backcountry Navigator, and I'm using a Samsung A6 Galaxy phone. Alright, here's a side view shot of what it looks like assembled. Attached to the steering column is the Axia Alloys GoPro mount. And attached to that is a GoPro extension. And from there is a GoPro tripod mount. And that tripod mount is just bolted into the actual belt clip. I just drilled a hole right through the belt clip of the clip itself. And between it, I put a rubber gasket. And I think that helps stabilize everything. And for this, I made sure to buy a case that has a belt clip available that I could purchase on Amazon. I believe I bought all of this on Amazon. But whichever device you run, make sure to get a case and a belt clip that's all compatible, that preferably has that little lip. That way the phone still stays flush when mounted. But overall, I haven't had any issues. It's very stable. If you watch the channel on any of my videos, the helmet cam picks this up, and I can see it clear as day doing 20 miles an hour or 80 miles an hour. So I believe it's the best setup I have, or I've done. Back when I had the XP Turbo, it was down here. I didn't really want to do that again. Plus, the opener was kind of in the way for any kind of mount. But overall, this is a really good setup. I think it looks pretty clean. The only downside is your tachometer. It will be in the way, but having the ride command right there, at least for me, that's where I get all my info, and I can see RPMs, speed, fuel, etc. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up. If you have questions or comments, post them down below. In the description of the video, I'll also post what hardware I used to do the install. But I think that's going to do it. This has been Doug with McCurdy Outdoors, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.